is the matrix representation of a graph. Matrix representation मतलब कोई भी अगर ग्राफ दिया है हमें, so we can write the given graph or we can represent that given graph in a matrix form. So there are the two type of a matrix forms. The first one is the adjacency matrix. पहला जो टाइप है मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म का, द फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एज अ adjacency matrix representation. Okay, adjacency matrix representation of a graph. मतलब कोई भी ग्राफ अगर हमें दिया है तो उस ग्राफ का हमें adjacency matrix लिखना है. Then how to write the adjacency matrix of the any graph? So that we will discuss it in this part here. Now adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix मतलब क्या होता है? So adjacency means you know the meaning of the word adjacency. That already we discussed what is meant by the adjacency. Adjacency क्या होता है? Adjacency is between the two vertices. मतलब अगर दो vertices के बीच में edge होती है, so then we can say that these two vertices are said to be adjacent. मतलब कि जैसे अगर देखो हम एक वर्टेक्स यहाँ पे लेते हैं एंड सेकंड वर्टेक्स इज यहाँ पे, मतलब वर्टेक्स यू इज देयर एंड दिस इज द सेकंड वर्टेक्स वी एंड देयर इज एन एज बिटवीन द वर्टेक्स यू एंड वी. कितने भी एजेस हो, देन वी कैन से दैट यू एंड वी आर एडजेसेंट. क्या बोलते हैं हम? यू एंड वी आर द एडजेसेंट वर्टिसेस. मतलब एडजेसेंसी इज एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन द वर्टेक्स टू वर्टेक्स, मतलब वर्टेक्स और वर्टेक्स के बीच में एडजेसेंसी होती है हमेशा, राइट? सो सिमिलरली व्हेन वी हैव टू write the adjacency matrix, so that adjacency matrix is always exist between the two vertices. Now this is the graph, it is just like a kite, I'll say. Now suppose if I'll give a name to this edges, the edge E1, this is the edge E1, edge E2, edge E3, edge E4, then E5, this is the edge E6 and edge E7. Okay, so this is the graph, we can say G. G is a graph, and in this graph G, the vertex set, suppose if I'll write the vertex set, what is the vertex set of this graph G? That is A, B, C and D. These are the vertex set, and the edge set is equal to E1 to E7, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6 and E7. Okay, so 7 edges are there and 4 vertices, and we want to represent this graph in a adjacency matrix form. Now for the adjacency, the matrix of adjacency is always exist between the vertex to vertex. मतलब वर्टेक्स टू वर्टेक्स के बीच में एडजेसेंसी हमेशा होती है. सो यहाँ पे जब हम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं एडजेसेंसी मैट्रिक्स, so that adjacency graph of the graph G is always denoted by A of G. Means G is a graph and A for the adjacency matrix. So A of G is equal to. Now how many total number of vertices are exist in this graph G? 4 vertices. So the adjacency matrix is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, it is a 4 by 4 matrix where each row and column represent the vertex of that graph. That means first row is the first vertex, I'll say A, the second row is the vertex B, the third row is the vertex C, and the fourth row is the vertex D. Similarly, column wise also, the first column is for the vertex A, the second column is for the vertex B, third column is for the vertex C, and the fourth column is for vertex D. So it is a 4 by 4 matrix because adjacency is always between the two vertices. So that's why the row also represents the vertices and the column also represents the vertices. So it is a between the vertex to vertex set. Okay. Now, if there is an edge now between these two vertex to vertex, we have to write the how many edges are exist between this pair of vertices. Now here, A to A, the first entry. How many edges are exist between the vertex A to A? A to A means, of course, there is a self loop between the vertex A to A. So, is there edges between A to A?
No, sir.
No. Means there is a no self loop at the vertex A. So that means we can say there is no edge between A to A. So that means that entry is 0. Number of edges between A to A is 0. Then A to B. How many edges are there between A to B
One.
in the graph? Only
एक
one
One.
edge is there. Okay, A to B. A to B के बीच में कितने edges है? एक edge है. So that's why we'll write it here 1 only. Then A to C. How many edges are between A to C?
Zero.
zero
Edges there. So that's why the entry is 0. And then A to D.
two
Two edges are there between A to D. So that's why this entry is 2. Got it? Now, in the adjacent matrix, the first row and first column is always identical. Okay, first row and first column is always identical. Or in another way, you can find out number of edges between B to A. Now the number of edges between A to B or B to A is always same. So this is 1. I'll just copy the first column, first row as a first column. Okay, मतलब 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. First row, first column are identical. Now the second one, B to B. Is there any edge is exist between the vertex B to B or
no
No, sir.
no sir
Zero.
that entry is 0.
Zero.
Then B to C. How many edges are there between?
one
One.
One edge is
One.
there. So this entry is 1. Then B to D.
one
One edge is there.
One.
B to D, so it is 1. Again, second row and second column is identical. Means you can copy the second row as it is in the second column. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now the third one, C to C. Is there any edges between C to C?
Yes.
one
One.
1. That means one loop is there. So that's why there is an edge, one edge is there between C to C. Then C to D.
zero one
C to D, there is a
One.
one edge between C to D. And then third row, third column is identical. So this entry is also 1. And then D to D,
Zero.
0
0. So this is your adjacency matrix